Welcome to this beautiful townhome here in Airdrie, which offers 3 bedrooms up, a fully finished basement giving it 2 full 1/2 baths. It's been meticulously maintained and a ton of updates. Just some to mention a few. We've got newer stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, refaced kitchen cabinet with gold hardware, which gives it a ton of character. One of the best locations with a south rear backing onto a green space with your own private deck, which is super rare. Front's on a quiet road, giving additional parking added to the 2 dedicated stalls to the unit. Come take a look.
Wanna go somewhere, someplace not on earth.